Focus on key events, Powell's speech and RBI's policy decision this week. Gift Nifty is steady this Wednesday morning. Focus will be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Wednesday. The US, Friday's non-farm payroll numbers will take center stage, with the US economy projected to add 183k jobs. Too hot number could sway Fed policy. According to the CME FedWatch tool, futures traders put the probability of a December cut at 70%. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. The key highlight for this week will be RBI MPC outcome policy decision on Friday, 6th December. RBI is expected to maintain status quo because of rampant inflationary pressures as the retail inflation last month shot above 6% mark. Also, the growth forecasts may also be revised amidst disappointing GDP figures where India witnessed a fall in GDP to multi-quarter low of 5.4% in Q2 FY25. Net-net, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das's commentary with respect to the timeline for beginning of rate cut cycle and growth forecast by the central bank will be watched keenly. Long story short, stock-specific action will dominate Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3665 crores while DIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 251 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound play. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 14.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.28 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.04. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade with positive bias. Crucial levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 4457. Support, 24,350 to 24,300. Resistance, 24,550 to 24,600. Range, 24,300 to 24,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 696. Support, 52,350 to 52,300. Resistance, 52,950 to 53,000. Range, 52,300 to 53,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Need to know. The biggest positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that FIIs returned to their buying desk. Our call of the day suggests Nifty could simply rocket upward to the moon and most importantly, look to fly beyond the stars only if FIIs remain consistent buyers to Indian equities. Buzzing stocks. 1. Granules India Limited Gagilpur facility in Telangana has been classified as Official Action Indicated (OAI) by the United States Food and Drug Administration (USFDA). In September this year, the USFDA had issued a Form 483 with 6 observations for the Gagilpur facility. Amidst this backdrop, Aurobindo Pharma is biggest beneficiary of granules setback. Technically, Aurobindo Pharma has good support at 1,200 area. 2. Swiggy has marginally narrowed its consolidated net loss in the second quarter of financial year 2025, Q2 FY25, to 625.5 crore rupees from 657 crore rupees a year ago. But sequentially, the loss was up as the firm had reported a consolidated loss of 611 crore rupees in the first quarter of FY25. Swiggy is up around 35%.